This is our revolutionary Shocker Gooseneck Surge air hitch and 9-inch offset shift lock coupler. Built-in air ride, so it absorbs the bucking and chucking, jerks, tugs, bumps. And the 9-inch offset is great for if you need extra cab clearance. The air ride system is ideal for horses and livestock if you're hauling them to reduce stress. Way easier ride on them along with your passengers, your equipment, because it reduces breakage and also gives you a much safer, smoother towing experience every mile. It's adjustable, so lighter loads, you'd reduce air. Heavier loads, you add air. It also has 2 built-in bump cushions externally, and there's an internal bump cushion on the air spring bag as well. It pivots on this pivot bolt that's an 1.25 inch hardened steel, hardest steel on the planet, and it's greasable, has a greaser here where you grease it from time to time. Our patented shift lock coupler is the only coupler that captures both sides of the ball. Plus you can see if it's locked at a glance. Check this out. As you can see, that's how it works. You would pull the pin and you lock it into place. As you can see, the U-bolt comes through the backside, and then we would just pin it, and then you're locked onto the ball. And then to disconnect, you would unpin it, move it back, and then repin it. Good to go. To learn more or to find a dealer near you, visit us at shockerhitch.com.